And we're recording. Alright, today I'm going to try and shoot. There's a popcan at 100 yards down there. It's just on top of that railroad tie to the right of the target. I'm going to shoot it with an AR-15 standing and see if it comes out on camera. I'm going to shoot it one-handed. So it'll be fun. Nice. And hopefully that came out on camera. The old popcan at 100-yard challenge. Anyway, we'll zoom out to see how nobody's here to see it happen. How depressing. That stinks. It's me by myself. But anyway, so yeah, 100 yards. There's the damage, looks like. So, not bad. And there's the rifle that did it. Yay! Alright. So, good times. 100 yards, popcan, one-handed. Woo!